सब्सक्राइब करके बेल आइकन अभी दबाइए। वीडियो के खत्म होने का इंतजार मत कीजिए।
हे एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक ऑन ऐश मूवी टॉकीज। आज का ये वीडियो बहुत स्पेशल है, इसलिए पूरा देखना और कमेंट्स में अपने सजेशंस और थॉट्स जरूर बताना। When I started this channel, I was heavily influenced and inspired by an American YouTuber named Jeremy Jans. I would watch his review of movies and decide whether to watch a movie or not. मुझे जेरमी के रिव्यू करने का अंदाज और ऑब्जेक्टिविटी बहुत पसंद आती थी और जो भी मूवी उसे कमाल की लगती थी वो उसे ऑसम टैक्युलर की रेटिंग देता था, विच इज अ कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ ऑसम एंड स्पेक्टैक्युलर। ये सब मैं इसलिए बता रहा हूं क्योंकि रिसेंटली ही सॉ एंड रिव्यूड RRR and he was just floored by the movie and called it awesome tacular and I couldn't be more happy. दो रीजन है मेरी हैप्पीनेस के। पहला, that an Indian movie is making us proud across globe, and second, that Jeremy saw it and liked it the way it should have been. उस वीडियो का लिंक नीचे है, आप लोग देख सकते हैं। On one side, there is growing concern in Bollywood over the recent boycott calls, and on the other side, RRR is doing exactly what Parasite did for Korea, Money Heist for Spain, which is give Indian film industry that global recognition and wake up to its awesomeness. Thank you, Rajamouli sir. Now coming to the boycott calls and the issue with the Hindi film industry. Recently, Arjun Kapoor said that it's not the ground reality and some people are doing it for their own agenda and that Bollywood needs to push back and come together. Other notable filmmakers like Anurag Kashyap took pot shot at the ruling government and said कि लोगों की जेब में पैसा नहीं है, फिल्म कहां से देखें. While Sanjay Dutt said that Bollywood has forgotten heroism, which we see in South films, and other notable actors, directors criticized the audience for their approach. Now let's dissect these claims, and here's my take on the issue. ये सब जो बदला है, ये बाहुबली द बिगिनिंग के बाद बदला है. उससे पहले हिंदी फिल्म इंडस्ट्री, also known as Bollywood, ruled India with star culture and flashiness. They would dish out classy and massy cinema. Classy के नाम पे boring intellectual बातें और massy के नाम पे garbage. But in between, class plus mass like Three Idiots would also come. दिल चाहता है, etc. The audience would love these films. Bollywood went into a limbo as they felt जो भी वो dish out करेंगे, पब्लिक को वही देखना पड़ेगा. But everything changed after Bahubali and pandemic, and I will now tell why. When Bahubali released, more than half of India didn't knew who SS Rajamouli was. Neither they knew Prabhas. No promotions of movie in Hindi belt. Yet लोग गए थिएटर्स में और word of mouth के basis पे film became a smash hit. The point here is, if the movie is good and people like it, किसी का प्रमोशन हो या स्टार पावर हो कि नहीं, उसकी जरूरत ही नहीं है. Anyways, then came Bahubali Part 2, and by this time audience was hooked. It became a blockbuster. शेर के मुंह अब खून लग चुका था. The audience was fed up of seeing same old faces doing same old things. Audience now wanted to see something new and unique. Then came KGF, again the same story. No one knew who Prashant Neel or Yash was. But people who went to see came out singing praise and the movie became a hit. Bollywood dismissed the success by saying कि ये तो fad है, exception है, over the top मसाला films हैं. But if we remember, यही तो Bollywood all these years कर रहा था. हमें over the top मसाला भाई movies, फालतू के comedy action movies ही तो दिखाई. What they did not understand was कि KGF और बाहुबली had conviction of people working in it. It's not just mass, but class as well, because technically these movies were brilliant. And then came pandemic and the audience was now introduced to world cinema like never before. When theaters reopened, Bollywood movies flopped left, right and center. Only Kashmir Files did great, जिसको Bollywood itself tried to sabotage. जो खुद अपने ही पैर पे कुल्हाड़ी मारे, उसे ऑडियंस भी क्यों सहारा देगी? RRR, Pushpa, KGF2 proved to be final nail in coffin of Bollywood. Even Amir Khan's Lal Singh Chadda couldn't rescue Bollywood. Instead of realizing that Lal Singh Chadda wasn't really a good film, Bollywood instead became bitter and started abusing its audience. I believe it's time for introspection for Bollywood कि audience को बुरा भला बोल के कुछ नहीं होगा. Try and gauge the pulse of the nation. और जो लोग कहते हैं कि लोगों की जेब में पैसा नहीं है, फिल्म कहां से देखें, तो उनसे कोई जाके ये पूछे कि कश्मीर फाइल्स, RRR, पुष्पा, KGF 2 में इतने भर हर के लोग कैसे जा रहे थे, या उनको पैसा गवर्नमेंट दे रही थी. कोई नहीं चाहता कि बॉलीवुड की मूवीज फेल हो ड्यू टू सम पॉलिटिकल एजेंडा, क्योंकि ऐसा होता तो कंगना रनौत की धाकड़ और अक्षय कुमार की मूवीज फ्लॉप ना होती. इट्स सिंपल, द ऑडियंस वांट्स न्यू एंड फ्रेश, जो उन्हें एक्साइट करे, ना कि सेम ओल्ड थिंग्स इन न्यू रैपिंग्स में दिखाए. नॉट ऑल साउथ मूवीज आर हिट आइदर. तो शुतुरमुर्ग की तरह गर्दन जमीन में धसाने से कुछ नहीं होगा. ओपन आईज एंड ब्रिंग द चेंज विद इन rather than cursing the audience. In the end, I would like to say thanks to SS Rajamouli sir on behalf of entire nation. And आप सबको बता दूं कि इस बार ऑस्कर की सीरियस कंटेंडर बन रही है RRR. Let's keep our fingers crossed. जय हिंद, जय भारत.